What is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Siko, and as you can see today, we're going to be taking a look at Finviz. Okay, I will be showing you a top screener, how to find stocks that can help you. Okay, not particularly help you, but how to find stocks that can run up a lot. Okay, so that's the video. That's the video topic for today. Make sure to stick right around the end. And yeah, let's just get straight into it. First, what you want to do is go on finviz.com, and also excuse me about that, but we're going to be taking a look at them on trading view. We're going to be charting them up. Everything good. Okay, so let's freaking go. What you want to do is go on finviz.com, then you right here you click on screener. You do that, then like when you're here, this is the page that you will get. Like what I personally want to do is go click on all, and I have all the descriptive, the fundamental, and the technical things right here. So first of all, I will go with the descriptive, just for the sense of it. Okay, I'll just try it that way. So what you want to feel right here, and just know that through everything that I go, I will be showing you what that means and all the other good stuff. Okay, so for example, the first thing that we're about to fill in the descriptive right here in this sector, we're going to be filling the current volume. Okay, the market has been open for like 15 minutes at the moment of making this video. Okay, so yeah, like what does the current volume mean? Number of shares traded today. And what we want to have right there will be over 1 million. And around now, I know a lot of stocks will pop up right here. I mean, yeah, they are going to be popping a lot of stocks, but like when we are going to be continuing to add, when are we going to continue to add these filters? There are going to be less and less stocks. For example, for the other like hand, well, like you do this filter at the end of the day, and maybe in the like in the middle of the trading day. We're just doing that at the start, but it is what it is. That's when I'm making this video. Okay, so what you want to do is click on current volume. As I said, this basically means number of shares traded today, as you can see right here. And you want it here, you want this to have to be over 1 million. Okay, as you can see, we have a lot of more shares. Overall total 40 stocks. Pretty small amount. You know how it was like 8K, now it's 40 stocks. Now what you want to do is uh I do some. I mean, I don't trade options, but if you wanna if you're gonna trade options or stuff like that, short term things, you can go all like optionable. Okay, open and short. Basically, that means the stocks with options and or available to sell short. So you can go optional, maybe shortable, and so it's like you can go and click on optionable. I sometimes do any. Okay, because it is what it is for me. But yeah, let's go optionable. So for the stock that you can option trade, okay, as you can see right here, we have 33 stocks at the moment. The next thing that you want to click on is the price, basically where the price of the current stock. Okay, where is it sitting? Yeah, the current stock price. So what you want to click right here will be over $10, over 10, sometimes over 15 or over 20. Notice how you have 14 stocks in total right here, and that's it. I mean, that's all you need to fill in this descriptive kind of side. Okay, now what you want to fill on the other things are the technicals. Okay, here on technicals, what we want to fill is only one thing. Okay, we are going to be filling one thing, and in technicals, we're going to be filling the 52-week high or low. So what does that mean? Basically, the 52-week high or low is the maximum slash minimum of previous 52 weeks highs and lows. Basically, the last like 52 weeks is of course 1 week 1 year. So the 1 year's high and low. So what we want to fill right here, you have a lot of options. As you can see, for example, 5% or more below the high, below the 1 year high. Okay, so there are going to be a lot less stocks than this. I hope that I can find one, because it will be a kind of so how they say it, but yeah, it will be so picky. So what we want to do and what we want to fill right here will be 0 to 3% below the high. So let me just find it, just like that. And as I said, as you can see, we have total of like zero stocks, because at the moment of making this video, we're only, for example, like only 20 minutes into the market open. Okay, so I hope it makes sense with that. So I would just go and kind of click on all right here, and kind of click on any if you can find any stocks. No, cannot find. Let's go for the current volume. We can just okay, let's go with over 50K. We only have one stock right here. This is how the stock moves. This does not look good. Okay, to be honest, this does not look good. Technical. These are the technicals. I think that this is just being released, but okay, let's just go. I'm just like what I'm doing at the moment is kind of moving the volume down. Okay, I'm just moving the volume down so I can find a lot more stocks because the market is like not in its full potential. You feel me? I'm 20 minutes into the market open, so this is pretty picky filters. So yeah, make sure to do it maybe in the middle of the day or maybe till the end. It is always up to you. Not at the start as the mistake that I'm making right now. Okay, so what you want to do right here is so what you want to do in this point, the filter is basically this. You want it to be over 1 million in um, so you can just screenshot this because this is all you need, okay? The price to be under $10, the 52-week high low to be 0 to 3% below the high, and the open and short position is to be optionable, okay? And the current volume, of course, to be over 1 million. You can screenshot this, but at the moment we cannot see stocks, okay? That's it. But I'm just gonna kind of push the volume down so I can find more stocks. For example, we have TEF right here. TEF, let's just go check out TEF. So here, click on TEF. Okay, Telefonica, I guess that's right. Go and click on that. This is a pretty beautiful filter. You can go and try it for yourself. So I guess this is the 52-week high. So let's just go check it out. So this is the 4-hour time frame. Let's just go to the daily chart, to the daily time frame, and kind of zoom out. Okay. So I guess that this is the no. This is not does not look good. It does not look the same. This was in June, July. So let me just kind of find it out for you. Is it the same? Telefonica SA. So yeah. The daily chart. So this is how it looks like. I guess it does not look the same, but so how do you want to kind of mark it up? Maybe like here we have the high, the 52-week high. I guess it's right around here. No, around here. I guess it is always up to you, but this is how the chart looks like right here. So like you could take a look at that. I cannot try to find myself into this, but yeah, this is the daily chart. This is how it looks like on there. But yeah, as we said, this is how the filter looks. This is how the filter looks like. Okay, 0 to 3% below the high. So the high will be right around here, I guess. Okay, right around there. So yeah, let me know what are your thoughts about this. Like this could be a great option trade or something like that. But yeah, I will be waiting personally for me to kind of hit these fib levels and these volatility zones right there. Right there, I mean right around here. Okay, because these are some high volatile areas. And I can move them to the side right here, here, and here. So I can kind of expect it to push something like this. Okay, so yeah, peace out, have a great day for the rest of your day, and bye.